Do you think the U.S. economy is at risk for stagflation this year?
Yeah. So let's explain stagflation,
Okay.
right? So I wanted to bring up a actual definition. It's an economic cycle characterized by rare combination of stagnant growth, high unemployment, and high inflation.
Okay.
All right. So the high inflation part is where, we haven't got down to that 2% target. You remember that long ago 2% target that we never hit. And now with the gas prices going up, that hasn't really hit the markets
Not
that
yet.
hard yet, but it is going to. And if it continues, it has in other parts of the world. It hasn't here as much, but it will. High unemployment, we're seeing data points that are conflicting on where unemployment is going. You have bad reports followed by a good report, followed by a bad report, followed by a good report. So that might be a little thing in there. Stagnant growth. Yeah, we've been on this monstrous growth cycle, and we are slowing down. The 1 year over 1 year GDP is going down, right? So that's one leg that looks like it might be happening. The high unemployment, I'm not sure is happening yet, and the high inflation could be, but I'm not sure it might be just for a small amount of time.
Yeah.
So I hope we're not, but we're on the cusp of two of these three happening.
I mean, and that's
at
one of the biggest pushbacks to AI is the job market,
Right.
Right, and so it's like we're kind of creating this possibility of, all right, growth slows, and people's jobs are taken over.
Yeah.
And if you add inflation on top of that, then
Then you're right there.
And then it goes to what's high defined as, high inflation.
Or high
To me-
unemployment. Yeah.
To me, I don't think inflation rate of 3.5.
That's not high. Yeah.
That is not high.
Historically not. Yeah.
Correct. Unemployment of 3 to 4. I don't think of that.
No,
as
I don't
abnormal.
think so either,
So,
yeah.
So to your
Yeah.
point, I mean, which of the three legs, if we're looking at a stool, which of the three legs, growth, inflation, jobs, is more at risk right now?
I think stagnant growth is
Okay,
there.
I do too.
Yeah.
I do too. We've been close,
Right.
A time or two over the last, several years.
Yeah.
I think that's the one that we need to look out for. Anyway, thoughts on that?
no, I would agree.
No, I agree.
All thoughts and opinions shared in this recording belong to the participants. This podcast is meant to inform and educate and should not be seen as solicitation or endorsement for business. The hosts of the Market Moment podcast are employees of Mach 1 Financial Group, LLC.